Hi guys, this is Dr. Turismo, your tourism authority. So, currently, we are heading to Novotel in Araneta Center because meron tayong award. Awardan tayo, no? Yan, as an Amadeus trainer and also as a travel and tour supervision trainer by Global Professional Advancement. At syempre, with me is my loving wife. Yeah. Ganun. Ayan, ang aking, reyna ng tahanan. Yes. So, we'll head there and, I'll see you guys later when we do the check-ins. Okay, bye-bye. Hi guys! So, we're here at Novotel Araneta Center. So, we checked in today. Actually, we'll be staying here for 2 nights. Kasi, I'll be attending an event tomorrow. I'll be awarded tomorrow. May award tayo. Yes! Okay? So, this year has been such a wonderful year for me as an Amadeus trainer and also as a tour and travel supervision trainer, no? So, with all of those blessings, we have to celebrate naman sa lalo na December ngayon, and it's really a high time for us to be happy and be cheerful about things and be thankful to God for whatever the blessings that we receive. So right now we're going to do a quick room tour here at Novotel Araneta Center. So this is our deluxe room. This is a deluxe king room. We got this for a special rate because alam na naman natin, no? May corporate rate tayo. Okay? But definitely on medyo pricey, no? Yung mga kwarto sa Novotel kasi it's part of the Accor group. So, as what we all know, Accor is an international brand for Sofitel, no? Novotel, Ibis, and the rest, no? Napakarami. So, let's go with our room tour. Let's start with this one. This is our closet. Yan. Okay, so for our closet, ayan, ito yung mga damit ko. So, mga susuotin ko bukas. Then, syempre ang susuotin ng aking butihing misis. Yan. And the shoes are there. Okay. Meron silang bathrobe. So, kung feel namin mag-swimming later or probably magpamasahe, why not, diba? Then, we have our ironing board, irons, okay, para for last minute touches dun sa damit, ready tayo for tomorrow. Okay? So, yan. And, this one, ayan, may malaki tayong mirror na merong, ayun, may malaking tao din. Diba? Yan. So, last final check, diba, bago tayo sumabak bukas sa event, dapat, syempre, we should be dapper. Okay? Sabi nga ng mga friends natin. Okay? And then, over here is their bathroom. Okay? Medyo cool yung bathroom nila. Medyo, hindi lang maganda yung door kasi nga, ang daming nagsiswivel siya. No? So, mas maganda sana kung, alam mo yun, sliding. No? But, there's the toilet. May sariling pinto yung toilet. Medyo kakaiba. No? Medyo kakaiba siya. May sariling pinto siya. Ayan. Then, lavatories here. And you have your shower. Look at the shower. Look at the shower. Yan. O, diba? May libreng show. No, actually, just have to click this and tada! Ayan, bumababa na yung curtain. Diba? May reveal. Pwedeng may reveal. Ayan. So, let's go over here. Okay. Daming pinto, no? Ayan. So, this one is our vault. Ayan, nandiyan yung mga precious items natin. So, hindi ko napapakita yung iba. Okay? And, over here, ito na, yung pinakamahalaga, no hotel, no business of accommodation is complete without the bed. Okay? Siyempre, the bed is the most important part of the room. Okay? Ayan. So, we got a king-size bed. Lagi naman pag nag-check-in kami, it's either a king-size or a queen-size bed. No? Para, siyempre, kailangan magkatabi kami mag-asawa. Diba? And, it's either ganitong regular room or most of the time, naka-suite din naman kami, no? Lalo na kapag may mga special occasions, okay? So, it's very important we have my side and her side over there, okay? Yan, may mga, tawag dito, May reading lights sila, no? Para di nakaka-istorbo. Yan. Pag nagbabasa tayo, no? Habang natutulog na yung habang natutulog na si Mrs. Yan. Then, over here is our fridge. Okay? Ang cool ng fridge nila kasi kita mo yung loob and meron siyang lock. Okay? So, whenever you requested for, lockout minibar, halimbawa may mga groups kayo, especially for those who are booking in big groups at para ma-ensure na walang incidental charges, pwede naman natin ipa-lockout yung minibar. Pero since kami lang naman, okay, ayan siya. Okay? Sa loob, may free water. Okay? What's good about Accor Group din and most of the hotels now in the Philippines is that they are advocates of sustainability. Gone are the days na merong mga boteng, yung mga plastic bottles. Ang taas kasi ng consumption natin dati. Ang Philippines is one of the top consumers of single waste plastic. And, di ba, ang laki ng effect nun sa, environment. So, naka-glass na po sila dito. Okay? Ayan. And then, okay, ayan, may skincare. Ayan. Then, check, ayun. May pang skincare kami, syempre. Hindi ba mawala? At syempre may wine. Magdala na ako ng wine. Okay, tipid hacks yan. Magdala ka na lang, di ba? Kaysa gumastos ka. Ayan. Also, dala rin namin to yung lace. Kasi nga, syempre, pag madaling, midnight, di ba? So, manood. Ayan. May pang snacks tayo dyan. Coffee and tea station is here. Ayan, which is cool. And right here, we have our television. Okay. Medyo maliit yung TV nila for the room, no? Pero okay lang kasi hindi naman kami masyadong mahilig sa local channels. Most of the time kami ay either Flixtor, Netflix, HBO, okay? So yun lang. Hindi kami madalas gumagamit ng TV. Sa bahay din kasi naka-projector. Okay? And naka-connect lahat ng streaming services namin dun sa projector namin. Okay? Then, we have our working table. Ayan, nandiyan na yung mga gamit namin. Makeup, hygiene essentials, pero ito dito hygiene essential, pagkain to. Yan, kumakain kasi ako kanina. Okay? Working table kasi definitely by tomorrow meron pa kaming work, no, with the UK company. We're working kami ng wife ko sa isang UK company. Okay, at syempre ang kanilang stand out na sofa, nakakaiba yung color. It's green and blue. Maybe this is their branding. And definitely our view. Medyo hindi lang, Novotel is a city hotel. So we are already expecting na hindi ganun kaganda yung view, which is apparently hindi nga maganda yung view namin kasi bubong to ng Fiesta Carnival. Ayun, babe. Ayun. Yeah. So yung mga batang 90s dyan, Fiesta Carnival is one of the one of the go-to places, no, nung mga batang 90s. I'm a batang 90s. So parang isa rin to sa mga nostalgic feels ko dati. Pero right now, hindi ko gusto yung venue namin kasi bubong yung nasa ibabaw. Bubong yung nakikita namin pag umaga. So yeah, that's it, no? Ito yung aming room. We will be staying here for 2 nights. And I'm so excited. Later, we will be heading out because punta kami sa BGC. We're going to Uptown Mall. And we're gonna be joining, her sister's gonna be joining us, no, for a dinner later sa Uptown Mall. Okay? So, see you later dun sa Uptown. Bye! Okay, hi guys. So, we're back on the road. It's raining. And, nagka-time-lapse siya. Made for her vlog din. Oh well, it's a slow-moving EDSA. Ano talaga mangyayari, no? So, this has been a perennial problem here in the Philippines. Because traffic is really, really bad on major roads. So, bad. We cannot make anything about it. Multiple administrations na ang nag-handle pero wala pa din po talaga nangyayari. Magbabago. Ayan. medyo good thing lang ngayon kasi it's stop and go. Okay? Pero, um, lalo na kung Christmas rush na, baka hindi na ganito yung eksena. So, bumper to bumper. So, in the Philippines, we call that Carmageddon. Okay? And, nakakainis pag ganun, pag sobrang traffic. Okay? So, hopefully, magawa na ng paraan tong traffic na ito in the near future. Hi guys! We're here at Din Tai Fung to have our dinner with ZYP, who's eating, and Riser.
Yun na yung title ko.
Yeah. Medyo matagal pa yung waiting time, so dito muna kami. So we're here at Uptown Mall. And we're just waiting for our food.
Nung waiting
Parang-
for our food. Waiting to be seated.
Waiting to be seated pala, sorry. Ayan. Kahapon nasa Tim Ho Wan ako, ngayon nasa Din Tai Fung ako. So yung dalawang pupuntahan ko. Tsa. Pork chop rice, chicken
Sharing na tayo.
rice.
That's why I made you order a
Shrimp.
different flavor.
Uwian na. So, we're still traveling. Nasa Labad kami. And currently, we're here in Pioneer. Pabalik na ng hotel. So, it's been a long day. Very, very long day. Okay, see you later pagdating ko sa hotel to wrap up everything. Bye-bye. Hi guys, good morning. And sorry kagabi, nakatulog na ako. This is day 2. Okay, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi. Pero we arrived here at the hotel around mga before 11. And then, ayun, bagsak na mga tao. We have to sleep early. And in order for us to prepare, okay, for today, it's gonna be another very busy day for me because today, awards night, okay? And before we kick off this day, syempre kailangan namin mag-breakfast. So, ayan, kakagising lang din naman namin. And yan, naligo na rin ako, nakapag-prepare na ako. It's already 7:17. So, we'll have our breakfast downstairs. So, si Mrs., ayun, babangon pa lang, no? Nagpapa-extend pa ng 10 minutes. So, currently, I'm working na, okay? I'm starting my day. Actually, I already started my day with the devotion earlier. My prayers also. So, hindi yan pwedeng mawala sa listahan. Laging yan ang ating unang ginagawa. When we wake up in the morning, we pray for the strength, okay, from our Lord and for His guidance every single day. Okay, and syempre, yun, for Him to make us a channel of blessing for everybody. Yun lang naman lagi ang hinihiling ko, no? As an educator and someone who is in the academe and also as a businessman, I always pray that kung ano yung lalabas sa bibig ko would be a blessing, okay, for all of the people na makakasalamuha ko. So that's how I usually start my day. And later, syempre, coffee is essential, pero tinatamad akong magtimpla, so later na lang dun sa baba kasi mas gusto kong brewed coffee din talaga. Okay? And yeah, I'm already checking my emails na medyo napakadami. Okay? I have actually prepared the examination, the final examination din for another school. no, para sa graduate program nila, comprehensive exam. So good luck to all of those MBA students who will be taking the comprehensive exams. Yan, I have already prepared that as well. And then, another thing siguro na kailangan ko rin gawin today would be the grades, no? Kasi nag-final exams na dun sa ibang university and sa ibang colleges na pinagtatrabahuhan ko, and yet hindi pa rin ako nakakatapos sa grades, no? Isa to sa mga Waterloo ng mga teachers kasi ang hirap po, aminado po ako, mahirap pong gumawa ng grades. Dati, when I was still with, with another school, okay, making grades is very easy because, alam mo yun, parang I'm just being objective kung ano yung meron na bigay sa akin na grade yun na yung binibigay ko sa bata. But now, siguro as I grow older, I become more compassionate. Okay? Totoo ata yung sinasabi nila na habang tumatanda ka, mas nagiging compassionate ka. So, right now, you give considerations, you try to look for things na, alam mo yun, na kung paano mo mailulusot yung student, 'di ba? Doon sa subject na 'yon. Unlike before na talagang kaya nabansagan akong terror teacher na terror professor sa ilang mga schools sa pinagtrabahuhan ko kasi they know for a fact na napakahigpit ko, no, pagdating sa requirements, and I'm very objective on my requirements. So, 'yun. So, medyo nagbago na po si Doc J.E. Okay? Medyo malaki na yung changes ni Doc J.E. And that's just part of, growing up and maturing. And also, as a response on being walking bare faith towards his Christian ways. So, yeah. Okay. So, maybe in a few minutes, we'll go down and have our breakfast for today. Thanks. So, see you later dun sa baba. So, we're having our breakfast here at Novotel. And I think they have very generous spread, which is good. Get to pay. Ooh. What are you having? So, ito yung una kong meal for today. So, I have bread and this should be ube champorado, pero hindi siya mukhang ube. Ayan. The wife is having full meal. Ayan. Nakagising lang niya. Protein loading siya, oh. Oh, fuck. Bacon. Corned beef, bratwurst, chicken tocino because my wife says it's good. And now she's having pancakes. Hi, babe.
Non chow mein noodles.
Oh, hi. Hello. So, we are now preparing for the event tonight. Ayan. So, ito ang aking outfit. Yan, half body muna, mamaya na yung whole body. Si Mrs. nasa CR pa, nagpe-prepare. And, ayan, time check. Ano oras na ba? Time check, 7:15. Okay, magsa-start na rin yung event in a few minutes. Nasa 3rd floor lang naman sila, nasa 9th floor lang naman kami. So, mabilis ang pacing ng pagbaba. Ayan, okay? So, see you later din sa venue. Okay, so we're heading downstairs to the venue. Ayan. The missus is ready. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Ayan. Okay. Tara na. Tayo medyo late na rin. Para masaya. Last to enter. Okay. See you there. Okay. Let's go down. And so we're on our way to the venue na. Lapit na kami. Ooh. Walkathon.
Barbies and guests of this event, good evening to all of you. Congratulations to the global professional advancement. The boundless opportunities awaits our awardees. You may continue to lead with courage and vision. Here's to the movers, the shakers, and the true trailblazers of hospitality and tourism. May your journey forward be as brilliant as the accomplishments we celebrate tonight. To excellence, innovation, and entertainment. Cheers!
Next is of course Dr. John Erickson A. Policarpio of Olivares College Incorporated.
Start with the gold awardist, Mr. John Erickson A. Policarpio.
Okay, so the 8 stars award is done. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha ko. Ito siya. Yes, I have 2 gold awards as a distinguished reviewer or DR for tour and travel supervisions. Then also as a program specialist, gold award din tayo for CHTTS, yung Amadeus GDS natin. Ayan. Then, syempre, renewal of my membership as ACTMP or Certified Tourism Management Professional, at renewal ko po ulit for more trainings next year as DR and Program Specialist. Ayan. So, maraming salamat Global Professional Advancement for this wonderful opportunity. At sobrang pagod ako, no? Ayan. Pero nag-enjoy ako actually. Nag-enjoy ako sa event na to. At maraming salamat sa mga nagtiwala for that specific award that I received today. And also, maraming salamat sa continuous support. Syempre, ng aking butihing may bahay. Ayun siya. Busy po siya ngayon. Hi! Ayan. So, next year po ulit, no? Next year, we're gonna make sure na mas maraming trainings, mas better yung ating mga i-deliver na programs, okay? For all of the tourism and hospitality management students all over the Philippines, okay? And all over the ASEAN region. So, maraming salamat po.
I'm not